Best guacamole ever. 5 avocados, half of an onion, 1 cilantro, then we put 5 lemons, and I add some salt, or even if you want to add some other stuff. Right now you're cutting your delicious avocado, then you start integrating everything into the blender. I put my 5 avocados in, then I start cutting my lemons and start squirting. That makes it much better. It tastes much better with a lemon, and if you could put more lemon, it's much better. And then I get my jalapeno and I cut in little pieces, and I did put that instead of salt, but you could choose to put the salt. Okay, now we blend it and we start cutting our other veggies, like our onion. I'm pretty slow, so I fast forward this. Then my cilantro, that's gonna be next. Yep, yummy, yummy. You cannot have it without cilantro. And your tomato. And I don't know what happened to the video of me cutting the tomato, but there it is. Yum. Then I am gonna start to do my carne asada and add my delicious guacamole. It's gonna be a quesadilla, really delicious. Blup, 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 blup. I start cutting. Pretty hard to cut. And look at that deliciousness all inside of my quesadilla. You need to taste it. Really good, very delicious. Very, very, very delicious. You should follow us. We're out of the way.